Turn a single image into a fully detailed 3D character using Trellis 2 and ComfyUI. From generation to animation, we'll cover the complete workflow step by step. First of all, we will come to the ComfyUI. We should have this ComfyUI easy install, so we will open the Start ComfyUI Flash Attention file. In a few seconds, our ComfyUI will be open. First of all, you have to install the Trellis 2 in it. If not, then do it first. This is the video in which we will install our Trellis 2. You will find its link in the description. So first of all, you have to install the Trellis 2. First of all, we need a workflow for ComfyUI. You will find the link in the description. Open it, and you will see this interface. There will be 3 files, 1 image and 2 workflows. One workflow will generate mesh from image, and the other will apply texture on mesh. Download these 3 files. Simply click on Download icon, and these 3 files will be downloaded. After downloading, we will go to our download folder. We need to drag these files to our ComfyUI. Ignore these errors. First of all, we need to generate mesh from image in this workflow. So first of all, we will upload the image. This image will be downloaded. Open it. When we import our workflow, then we need to click on Run button. Let's talk about some nodes while this is being generated. So this is our top node. It is named. Whatever name we will keep in it, it will be named on our output file. And this is the model loader. In the first one, we will load our model. This one, you have to keep the VRAM always true, low VRAM. This is very useful when memory error comes. It shifts the memory on the RAM, so keep it on low VRAM. After that, we have the structure steps and the dyno steps. So the more the steps, the better the mesh. If you want to change it, you can do it according to yourself, which you like the result in the output. After some time, this generation is completed. Our mesh is generated. Let's see it once. This is normal if you want to see where to turn it on. So first go to the upper one, select the model. In material mode, this is on normal and this is on original. So the advantage of normal is that we can see the holes in the mesh from a distance. So far it is very good. Open the Blender, empty the screen, and delete the rest of the things. We will open the ComfyUI folder. We will open the output, and this is our last file, which we have just generated now. We will drag it in the Blender. So, if we see our geometry first, let's turn on the statics, so you can see your geometry here. This is a little below 50,000, so we will go to Edit mode. Press A. There will be some vertices in it, which we cannot see from here, but it is not of our use. So we will press M for this. Select by distance. Here you have removed some vertices. This was not of our use at all. We will come out of Edit mode. We will go to Modifier. We will add a decimate modifier. Its value will be 0.5. It will be 24,000. So this does not reduce the quality of the mesh, but it reduces the geometry. So this is fine for this workflow. Now we have 24,000. We will apply this, and we will export it. We have to file GLB and export. We will click on this, because Trellis 2 only requires this. We will keep it in desktop. We give it name, test1. So this is our file that we have just exported. Now we have to go to our second workflow. If you see in download, then our workflow is mesh to texture. You will simply drag and drop it in ComfyUI. Here we have to keep the same image. Here is the file name. So for now, we will make it texture. In this, we have to paste our file. So we will go to our desktop. We will right-click on it, and we will copy as path, or we will press Ctrl-Shift-C. We will come to this node. We will press Ctrl-V, so it will paste the path. We have to remove the double quotes. We have to keep the remove background always true, so we will click on Run. This workflow is running now. So now our mesh is generated. Now it looks good. So let's import it again in our Blender. Now, if you see its output, it is in GLB. We have to export it in FBX. We will open the Blender. We will close the first scene. We will add new, and we will drag the texture file that we have just generated in our Blender. If we run the material, then you can see its material in the Blender. We will right-click and smooth the shade. If you see its geometry, it is 24,000, so it is still the same geometry. Our geometry is fine. We will go to Edit mode. We will press M by distance. It removes all unnecessary geometry. It removes 60,000 vertices. Our texture is looking much better now. So let's export it. We will export it in FBX. In this, we have to choose copy option. And we have to turn on the embed texture icon. And we have to export it. We will keep it in desktop. We will name it final and export it. Now we have to open a website, Mixamo. We will write Mixamo. So this website will show in front of you. We will open it. This website is a little slow, so you need internet a little fast for this. I have already imported a model in this, but we will keep the current model in this. We will go to Upload Character. We will select File. We have kept the file in desktop. This is our final FBX. We will select it and open it. If your geometry is too much, it can take a lot of load. Our geometry is around 24,000, so it is very balanced, so it will be very good. So our model is in this. We will click on Next. Now we have to click on it. So it is telling us where is the chin. So we will drag it to where is the chin. All the points are in the right place. We will click on Next. So this rig is started. It will do auto rig. We will not have to do manual work in this. So you can see our rig is complete. You can see the movement of fingers. So we will click on Next. You will get a lot of animations from this. It is absolutely free. So we can put any animations in this. So we will put flip. We will search flip. So many flips will come in this. So we will click on this. We can see that animation in the demo. So we will use this one. Backflip to uppercut. So to download, we will click on download. So we will click on with skin. So we will keep the other settings same. And we will download. So our animation is complete. So we will go to download folder. This is our downloaded file. We will open Blender. We will change the scene. We will put our file in this. And here you can see our rig. So we will click on character. We will turn on material. If we hide the rig from here, we will play from show overlay. It is not perfect, but it is very good. So this was our simple workflow. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more ComfyUI workflows and AI tutorials. See you in the next tutorial. Happy creating!